So if your coffee is coming through the spout on just one side at an angle and it's clumping, what you need to do is remove the rubber flap inside. So first step is to take the hopper off. We then got the 2 screws on top here, so we're going to loosen them. You need a Star Allen key or a Phillips screwdriver for this, depending which model it is. So we just loosen them out, don't need to fully take them out. We've then got the unlock and lock on the top here. So if you put your fingers in and twist it to the unlock, the whole top will pop off. From there, we've got the rubber flap here as well as the metal bit on the back. So if you just pull that out, and then what you want to do is just give this a real good clean. So whether you're washing it and drying it, or just getting the coffee off, make sure there's no moisture on there when it goes back in, and if you put the metal flap behind it. Then put the top back on, twist it back to the lock, don't forget to do that, and then we're just going to tighten these screws up. And then lastly, just pop that hopper back on and your screen will come on.